Welcome to HardReset.info channel, the viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to use Siri on this device. Firstly, into Open Settings application and scroll down, find here Siri and search, and here, as you can see, we have listen for. So by default this feature is disabled, so you need to enable Hi Siri or Siri or Hey Siri. Then you need to choose the preferred language. You can enable the press hide button for Siri, allow Siri when smartphone is locked, so I suggest to enable the feature. Siri response, you can prefer silent or spoken responses. You can enable show Siri captions, I like this feature. Call, hang up, I have enabled this feature, so it's while you riding, for example, in the car and someone calls you, you can hang up the call without touching your screen. Announce calls, this is the feature when Siri is reading who calls you, reading the caller's ID, caller's name. Announce notifications, it works in headphones only when you will enable this headphones feature, okay? Here you need to choose the applications from which applications Siri will announce the messages. For example, I have enabled announcing from messages application. And how it works now, it works when I'm in headphones, in AirPods. Siri is reading messages if I gotten the message. For example, someone messaged me and someone texted me, and Siri is reading the message in my headphone when my smartphone is on the another table or another room, for example, but headphone in my ear. Cool. Go back, and cool. And now I can use Siri. For example, Hey Siri. $25 in British pounds.
$25 is 20 pounds and 68 pence.
Great. For example, what can I ask? For example, Hey Siri, open Bluetooth settings. Hey Siri, enable Bluetooth.
Okay, I turned Bluetooth on.
Hey Siri, what the weather tomorrow?
Expect some clear skies tomorrow.
As you can see, it works really fast. It works really fast. It works really great, and I really like this feature. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.